Hey guys, this is Chani and welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to start a project in 3ds Max. Now to start a project in 3ds Max, it is very important to import AutoCAD file in Max. So in this video I'll tell you three things. First of all, to import AutoCAD file, second to set its unit, and also few points to keep in mind for proper execution of 3ds Max in the beginning. Now to import AutoCAD file, first we have to go to this application menu, go to import. Now there are two things. First is link AutoCAD, second is import. So this linking part we will see later. To import AutoCAD file, go to import, go to the folder, select your file and open. Now as you can see this dialog box, there are many options you can see in front of you. Now second important thing to keep in mind is it is always necessary to keep the unit of your AutoCAD file and your 3ds Max file same. For that it is always mandatory to activate your rescale. So how do you know that? If it shows the tick mark, it means it is activated. So from here you can change the unit of your Max file same as your AutoCAD file. Since my file is already in inches, I'll select inches and click on OK. Rest you don't have to touch anything, just click on OK. As you see here, your file is imported in Max. So simply select it and move it to the center of the working window. As you can see, this is a big working window, so it is very important to move your file at the center of the working window. What happens, it is easy to find the file if it is lost, so it is always preferred to keep at the center of the working window. So I have kept my file at the center. Now go to the perspective view. It is very important to delete any 3D object in the project for your further working. So select all the 3D object and delete it. As you can see, I have deleted all the 3D objects in the drawing. If there is none, you can directly start working on the file. So again, go to top view. Now second important thing before starting your project is to set unit. For that you have to go to customize, go to unit setup. I have already told you the detail about it in my other video. Simply select your unit and click on OK. The last thing that you need to do before starting your project is to select your file, that is your plan, and make a group of it. For that, go to group, click on group and give it a name. I'm giving original plan and click on OK. So what is the benefit here? Now once you will start working on your file, the lines of the plan will not get mixed with your 3D lines and it will not give you any trouble. So that is the only key benefit of making it a group. So once you are done with setting your file, you have to go to this application menu and save your file and save it at your required folder, give it a name and save. So this is how you save your file. So now your file is ready for your 3D. So there are three things to remember, that is you have to set unit before starting, you have to make a group, and before both of it you have to go to perspective and delete the 3D element of your plan before starting it. So that's all. I hope this video is informative for you, helpful for you. And if you like it, please like and share my video, subscribe to my channel, and please click on the bell icon as it is going to notify you for my further videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.